Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shraddha here from Creative Edges. Do subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. So today I made this beautiful layout. It is a mixed media layout and I used very much great products. So first of all, I'm using this layout sheet and I already cut it with the help of scissors, and I'm also using the stencils from Fabrica di Caro. I'm using the texture paste from Camlin and I'm going to apply on the stencils and it will give a great look, I must say. So I'm not applying only on edges, but I'm also applying the nearby this line which I already cut on this paper. All the measurements are given in your screen. I hope you're gonna see it. So let's do it quickly. I have also taken the another page sheet which is white in color, and now I'm going to show you how it's gonna look. Wow, it's looking lovely. I'm going to apply a little bit in this area as well. So I have taken another sheet as I told you, and right now I'm using the distressing technique with the help of my scissor. If you don't have tool, you can use your scissors and you can distress the edges just like that. And I'm using my distress ink and I'm also applying it on the edges of my paper, and after that I'm going to paste it on the whisper white sheet. After that I'm going to apply a little bit distress ink with the help of water onto this design and nearby this area. So it's also applied on the base sheet as well, so give it a little pinkish look. I hope you're enjoying this video. It is very easier to make, and after applying my distress ink I'm going to use this paper, the designer paper. I'm going to paste over it. So before doing that I'm going to apply some more color over it, and I'm using this distress ink color with the help of water and brush. I'm going to apply on my design as well. I also use the chippies from Fabrica di Caro, and I also use the Fabrica di Caro paint over my gears. It's really like snowy texture. It's very lovely and beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can use this layout on your scrapbooks or canvas, whatever you like. And thank you for watching it. If you like, please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.